During today's reading mini lesson, we talked about how writer makes you feel empathy for the character. So the first thing that we showed you was examples from each of these books. From The Buffalo Storm, we have 2 quotes here from Haley. We have 2 quotes here from Jessica from Rescue and Jessica. And we have 2 quotes here from Razia's Ray of Hope. We read each of them and determined whether the author was able to make us feel empathy. So together as a class, we read the quote, "I was not afraid of anything except maybe storms." A majority of the class voted no, that did not make me feel empathy, and we have one of the quotes from the class here. Another quote from Haley was, "When a storm starts, wrap this around you and think of me." Did that make you feel empathy? A majority of the class said yes. We continued the same pattern with going off of Jessica's quotes and Jessica's feelings, and we both had 2 feelings of empathy from the author. Down in here with Razia, we talked about how Razia's dreams about going to school like her brothers. Did that make you feel empathy? A majority of the class said no, and here was some quotes as to why it did not. I did not feel like the author had enough description about how Razia feels. So that was an example of why empathy was not felt in this situation. Today, during your independent reading time, I want you to look at the book you're reading and think about how the writer wrote specific things about your character. Did the author make you feel empathetic towards something that your character had going on or something that your character went through? Be sure to be ready to share what you have found or read during independent reading time.